In FX markets, the difference between a position and an edge is information. USD HKD trades within one of the most tightly managed currency regimes on Earth. The HKMA convertibility band creates structure. But within that structure, there is volatility, drift, and opportunity, if you know where to look. USD HKD Edge gives you institutional-grade probability forecasting. 13 quantitative pricing models. From Black-Scholes realized volatility to stochastic vol, SABR, and full jump-diffusion frameworks. Each runs 25,000 Monte Carlo paths, generating a complete probability distribution of where the pair trades at 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, and 6 months out. The rate-differential equilibrium overlay applies fair value drift from the US HK yield spread. Today, plus 0.94 sigma. Near equilibrium. Every model ships with a full backtest suite, calibration scores, CRPS metrics, pairwise model comparison, not marketing claims, out-of-sample validation. This is what professionals use to think about the peg, USD HKD Edge.